Hello guys, today I am going to take lambda on Python, and for this let me start Python 3. Many of you probably know writing function in Python, so let me quickly write a function called square, which takes one input argument and return the square of that. Now you know we can call this square function passing the arguments in this fashion. Similarly, we can write lambdas. For example, let me write the above function in lambda terminology, and you see that this portion talks about the argument and this talks about the return. The advantage of lambda is that you can create these functions on the fly without doing this def and return statement. But the disadvantage is that you can only write one line, and that too expression. Let me call this lambda and you get the same answer. If you check the internal type, you see it is type of function, and if you see the internal type of G, you also see it's a function. So you might be thinking where we require this lambda. There are many higher order methods or functions built in, or you can write yourself, that take one function, and that's the reason we call it higher order. So one example is map, filter, reduce, so on and so forth. So it becomes little bit messy if you create a function with def, small function with def and return, then you have to pollute the namespace with lot of small functions. Instead of that, we can write a lambda on the fly, define a methods or function and pass it to those methods. So that is the place where we use lambda very frequently.